प्रोटेस्ट करतात कित्याक लागून कितें रिजन आमकां सांगते तुमी
हो प्रोटेस्ट जाता तो ओनली ऑफ SBI स्टेट बँक ऑफ इंडिया स्टेट बँकेचो आमचो वर्कमॅन एम्प्लॉईज आमी एम्प्लॉईज आसा ते बँकेचे जे आमची डिमांड आसा आमी 25th 26th आमी स्ट्रायक कॉल दिला 2 दिसाचो कितें हो स्ट्रायक कॉल आमी दिवपाचो कारण आसा वी वर बीन फोर्स्ड बाय द बँक मॅनेजमेंट टू गिव द एज्युटेशनल कॉल. Agitational call was given with effect from 2nd May 2026 to press our demand. During this agitational call, we have gone for a badge wearing, signature campaigning to the Prime Minister, signature campaigning by the union to the DFS Secretary. We have also demonstrated in front of all administrative offices across the country. The main demand is the recruitment of messengers, recruitment of armed guards. There is a shortage of messengers and armed guards in our bank due to retirement. Messengers recruitment was done way 15 years back, 15 to 20 years back. I may say that okay. No messengers are there in the branches. No armed guard, there is a shortage of armed guard. Because of the shortage of armed guard, we are facing a security risk, not for us also, for the customers also, for the bank assets also. Across the country, there is also an attack on the bank premises for money. Apart from this, we are also demanding to review our career path. There is an internal promotion we have. After 5 years, the review has to be made. So since 2023, the review of career path has not been done by the bank. Apart from this also, we have a pensioners issue. In the bipartite settlement, they have agreed, okay, we will give, but in the bipartite settlement, they have mentioned the cut-off date. Some retirees, they have got the benefit, some members, they have not got. We are pressing for it to include that stagnation and increase their pension amount. That also demand we are pressing it. Appointment of workman director. This is a long pending demand we are doing with the management. Okay, you appoint our workman director. That also it is pending. Then again we have a inter-circle transfer of employees joined after 2019. In our bank, there is an inter-circle transfer agreement was signed in 2017. Though the person who comes from Bangalore to Goa, they should have an opportunity to go back to the Bangalore circle. That was stopped by the management unilaterally in 2019. Though the employee who have joined in the Goa, they cannot go to Bangalore. That hurdle bank has made to the employees. Because of this, there is a lot of family issues are there. So we are also pressing to reopen the 2000 inter-circle transfer. Then we have a parity issue in SBI. After the 12 bipartite, one section was given the amount and other section was ignored. So we are demanding that whatever it is given to the other section, it should be passed on to us also. So that also our SBI, we are pressing with SBI to give us that amount and increase our allowances. Apart from this, we have also to resolve HRMS issues. We have an internal system. There is a technical glitch. That technical glitch was not resolved. Because of technical glitch, we cannot apply allowances. So we are also pressing to this, and this demand is for a very longer time. That is also pending with the management. So if it is done, then okay, fine. Then we will call off the strike. Otherwise, we will go on 24th and 25th strike, all India strike. On Sunday banking, those are working on the Sunday banking, they will join on 27th strike also.
Okay.
So 2 days strike.
This is opted only SBI Bank, no?
SBI Bank, only the workmen's employees. Officers will be joining the bank on that date. Only the workmen employees will be joining this strike.
What date you said you will be going for?
25th, 26th.
Strike was followed.
Huh?
Was followed strike.
Strike, no, we will not join the branch or bank.
We will be not joining.
No, all workmen across the India will not join the bank on that day.
What
Sir.
about services will be?
Service is okay. I will tell you that services, ATMs will be loaded, already loaded. There will be no shortage for the customers. There will be no inconvenience for the customers due to strike. We have already planned it, already loaded with the maximum amount in the ATMs.
Sir, as you said, recruitment shortage is there. So how many staff you required?
It depends. If you say the messengeral work, in Goa we have 100 branches. So at least in one branches we have at least one messenger should be there, because to stitch the voucher, to touch the bank document, permanent staff should be there. So outsourcing, we are objecting it. What bank has done, it has messenger work was outsourced and permanent job was scrapped. Apart from this, the armed guard also, there is no security in all the branches. We have a low, medium and high risk branches. So there are also in medium risk branches, we don't have that armed guard. And armed guard was outsourced also.
Total how many employees overall in Goa?
In Goa, we have a 600 employees. 600, no, 450. 450. Some are retired. So we are pressing for the demand of messenger, armed guard, career path review, retirees rightful dues, so that their pension will be increased.
No replacements.
Sir, most of the things happens online. So why there is still shortage of staff?
Online, I'll say that okay, people are doing online also, but most of them educated also people, they enter in a way that they don't want to go in online because there is a fraud taking place. This is our experience. But not all the customers are going online, because okay, I will say that okay, 70 to 80% are doing online transactions. But most of, if you see the Indian population, poor section, they come and better, they want service manually, physically.
Sir, if your demands are not fulfilled, what will be your next step?
Next step, whatever the step, we will wait for our All India Staff Federation decision. But even the talks were there in Mumbai, so hope that management agrees our demand and settle the issues. Thank you all for covering us.
So one thing, tell me your full name and designation.
I am Santosh Haldankar, Deputy General Secretary of Panji Module. If the strike differs, we will inform you, inform the public, inform the media.
Yeah.
Line